welcome to Bruhan Mumbai Municipal Corporation's Virtual Training Center, and I am Mrs. Snehal Godambe, your English teacher from VTC. Let's begin with today's session.
Hello my dear students, warm and hearty welcome from your VTC English teacher Mrs. Snehal Godambe. See children, learning English is the part of your learning from standard first. From 1st to 7th, you have learned many poems, songs, prose passages, stories and so on. Now you have come in standard 8th. Again in this year, we are going to learn such nice stories, poems and some interesting facts. From today, we are going to learn the first poem from our English textbook, and the title of the poem is Be the Best. Be the Best. This poem is written by Douglas Smollett, an American poet who was born on 5th of May 1877 in Michigan, United States, and died on 2nd July 1938. First, we will have look on the words of this poem. If you can't be a pine on the top of the hill, be a scrub in the valley, but be the best little scrub by the side of the rail. Be a bush if you can't be a tree. If you can't be a bush, be a bit of the grass, and some highway, some happier make. If you can't be a muskie, then just be a bass, but be the liveliest bass in the lake. We can't all be captains. We have got to be crew. There is something for all of us here. There is big work to do and there is lesser to do. And the task we must do is the near. If you can't be a highway, then just be a trail. If you can't be the sun, be a star. It isn't by the size that you win or you fail. Be the best of whatever you are. So this is the poem Be the Best by Douglas Smollett. Now we will see the meaning of this word, or we can find the meaning between the words, I can say. See here you can see a picture of a pine tree which poet has described in his poem. If you can't be a pine on the top of the hill, be a scrub in the valley, but be the best little scrub by the side of the rail. Be a bush if you can't be a tree. See, now we will see the meaning of these lines through what poet want to tell us. If you can't be a pine on the top of the hill, see you can see the pine tree on the top of the hill. What poet tells us that if you can't be a pine on the top of the hill, there is a tall pine trees on the top of the hill. Now here it doesn't mean by poet that you have to be a tall tree. What it is an example given by the poet. It is an illustration that if you can't be the tall pine tree or tall like pine tree, not by your physical height the poet is talking about, but with your personality, then try to be scrub in the valley. You can see the scrub in the valley over here in this picture. But be how you should be. Even if you become the scrub in the valley, means little less value thing we can say here. But what your poet tells us, be a scrub in the valley, but be the best little scrub by the side of the rail stream you can see in this picture. Even if you are not tall pine tree on the top of the hill, you can't reach to that height in your career, in your life, But it is not that you have lost your hope. You shouldn't lose your hopes. Keep trying, and not as tall as other personalities around you, but try to be something in your life. The next line, have a look. Be a bush if you can't be a tree. Okay, if you can't grow as strong, as tall as tree, but you can be a bush, small plants you can see in this picture. It doesn't mind. It is better to become something than nothing. So here poet gives us the different illustration from the nature. See, nature is full of variety. So every human being has his qualities. Every human being is different from each other. So we have various options in front of us in life. So poet tells us, do not lose your hopes. Try to be something. Poet gives us some more examples. You can see a picture of highway. If you can't be a bush, be a bit of the grass. You can see the grass on both the side of the highways. First of all, there was the option of the tree, then scrub, then bush. Not that, but still one more option is there in our life, that you can be the bit of the grass. But how it should be, and what work, what role is doing of these bits of grass, we will see here. And some highway happier make. Whenever anyone will pass through these highways, whenever they look at the lawn of grass, they'll make happy. So try to develop yourself in such a way that because of you, the people around you will be happy. Your parents will be happy, your relatives will be happy, your friends will be happy. So do such things to satisfy yourself as well as the people who love you. Here the poet gives us some more examples of the aquatic animals. In this picture you can see there is one fish known as muskie. If you can't be a muskie, then just be a bass, but the liveliest bass in the lake. Muskie is a fish rarely found, or it is very hard to catch. So, and that is uncommon fish. Muskie is an uncommon fish. So here what poets want to tell us, that if you won't be muskie, if you can't be like muskie, that if you can't be uncommon, even if you are common man, even if you are common personality, no problem. But how you should be the liveliest bass in the lake. Bass is the fish which is found in the lake. You can see in this picture. But you should be liveliest. You should be full of energy, energetic. So, nothing should be there to stop you. Nothing should be there to stop the growth of yourself. So, he says that be the liveliest bass in the lake. No problem if you are uncommon, if you are not common, if you are not uncommon like muskie, and no problem if you are common like a bass. But don't dim the shine between you, the shine that lies inner soul of you. Be the liveliest bass in the lake. Some more example is given by the poet. We can't all be captains. What poet tells us? That you can see the picture of a captain of a ship over here. He plays an important role. So everybody among us can be captain, those who can guide, those who can lead other people. But at the same time, there is one role for you, that you can be the crew. We have got to be crew. Crew people, you can see the people who work here on the ship. So even if you can't be the captain of the ship, you can do work of the crew. You can play the role of the crew. So there is something for you to be there to do in this world. We can't all be captains. We have got to be crew. There is something for all of us here. It is not like that if you can't be a captain, if you can't be a pine tree, if you can't be a muskie, so the life is finished. No, there is something is there for each and everybody in this world. This world is very beautiful. There is big work to do and there is lesser to do, and the task we must do is the near. No work is big or small. Whatever work is done by you, you should do it all your best, and everyone has its role to play in this world. Only thing is that you have to choose your path, you have to choose your way according to your qualities. So that's what poet tells us from these lines. If you can't be a highway, then just be a trail. Again, one more comparison between highway and trail. If you can't be a highway, but you can be a trail. Trail means narrow path. You can see here narrow road between the trees. You can see here. So everybody can't be the great personality, but even a common man plays his role. Everybody can't be the doctors, but even the ward boy has his role to play. Isn't it? So one or the other thing you have to do. Now you can see here the picture of the sun and the star. If you can't be the sun, then be a star. It's no problem. You are not bright as sun. But when the sun is not there in the sky, in the absence of the sun, the star plays its role. So you can be like a star who plays the role of giving the light at night time in the absence of the sun. And the poet concludes his poem with these lines. It isn't by size that you win or fail. Be the best of whatever you are. It is not that whatever work you are doing, it is big or small, or in your work, in your role, in your competition of the life, you win or you fail. Sometimes you succeed, sometimes you are not. But whatever work you are doing, be the best. Any work you have opted for, show your 100%, give your 100% to that, so that people can give your example to others. That's what poet want to tell us. He want to give us the message from this poem. Here you can see what message is given by poet to us. Attitude. Attitude is little thing that makes a big difference. Your attitude towards your life, your attitude towards your work makes a big difference. So think before you walk that which is the right path for me, and walk on that path. Here children, we have to stop. You read this poem again and enjoy this and try to find the meaning of the words. Okay? See you in the next lecture. Thank you so much.
That's all for today. So you will revise whatever we have learned in today's session. Please subscribe the channel and press the notification button to get the link of next video. Bye-bye.